Okay, greeting tutor and partner. My name is Brayan Ortiz, studying the English of UNAT. This course is research project. Summary. The research proposal is born from the observation of the excessive use of the mobility device in the educational community of Escuela Normal Superior de Villahermosa. Whether or not curious depends on its parents, teachers, and students. Symptoms such as distraction and poor attention in the classroom. For academic performance, little communication between student and teacher, little use of time free, amongst other situations that affect the educational process. Kind of investigation. The type of research that was implemented was EAP, Action Research Participation, due to the need to involve the community in understanding the problem and its treatment. For the compilation of the information was used the survey and the quality time application in order to generate a statistical report on the amount of time spent using the cell phone. The sample population were the 10 grade students as they identified themselves as those who do greater use of the cell phone, and the other hand the 5th grade of primary school, with a dedicated to the prevention of a mobile addiction. Three of problem. Dependence on cell phone use is evidenced in student, teacher, and parent of the Escuela Normal Superior de Villahermosa, Tolima. Is problem situation causing the indiscriminate use of the cell phone, affect communication and training process incident outside the institution. Problem cause lack of a parenting guideline against cell phone use. Little information on the negative effect of cell phone use. Lack of guidance in the responsibility use of the cell phone in the educational institution. Now, show activities are implemented to replace cell phone use. Problem formulation. How does cell phone addiction manifest itself in parents, students, and teachers of the School Normal Superior Villahermosa, and what can be done to mitigate this problem? General and specific objective. Overall objective. Determine the factor and consequence using strategies that identify the level of addiction. Specific objective. Establish the reference that way. Characterize the problem, data collection instruments, pedagogical strategies, evaluate the impact of the proposal. Theoretical reference, digital native and immigrants, constructive from the used technologies. Findings. By observing in detail the three populations involved, it can be seen how parents spend a large of their free time on entertainment that guide the trade mobile devices. Those generate gaps in community and promoting bad habits for the use of family times, as well as some teachers say that they rely on cell phone for the development of their class, but in some way they also use it in social networks. In the same way, the population of student subjects affirm that they dedicate their time on the network, social, and not in tax or consultation. Okay, tutor partner, no more. Thank you very much. Bye bye.